Yo, what is going on, guys? Hess here, collectivekicks.com. If you guys want to shop this week's top sneaker deals, check the link in the description. And today's video, I just wanted to show you guys, I came home from work and I ended up getting a surprise package from Adidas. So kind of cool. I actually haven't really had that happen before. A mutual friend reached out and put me in contact with somebody, and then that person actually ended up sending me something, which is just crazy. It happened in like 3 days, which is insane. But this is too cool. I wanted to show you guys what they ended up sending. There's a little bit of a note here, and check this out. So first things first, they sent a crazy gold jacket. As you can see, retail price on there is kind of expensive. This is like a super dope gold foil jacket. It's definitely something that's a little bit flashy, but this is like, when you're feeling like one of those days, you can rock this. And look at this gold foil, dude. Just insane. Super dope in my opinion. So thank you for sending this over from Adidas. This is crazy, man. And then the next thing, they actually ended up sending a couple pairs of sneakers here, which is super, again, just crazy. What a crazy day, man. I'm a little tired today. Been a long day at work and everything, and then coming home and then seeing this package, I was like, dude, what just went down right here? This is nuts. Anyways, these are the two boxes that they sent, and you can see from the label, it is the new Deerupt Runner. So this is my first impression in hand of the shoes as well. So compliments of Adidas for sending them my way. So these are the new Deerupt Runners. As you can see, retail on these are only $100. So my overall first impressions on the shoe is it's just a really nice casual summer shoe. And it's kind of wild because I couldn't tell from the pictures, but this actually is a netting over top of the midsole. It's not just a netting print. And then you can see that there's netting across the entire upper also, which I think is pretty cool. And this is actually something that's a bonus. You have a little OrthoLite insole on the bottom. You can see it has the tag from the OrthoLites as well. It does have some like NMD type branding underneath the netting, as you can see there in black on this pair at least. And it does have like an NMD vibe on the soles as well. And you can see through here, this is like the midsole on the bottom of the rubber. But this is the first colorway that they sent me. Let's go and show you guys the other pair. This is the other colorway they sent, which I think that this one is fire. I like this one a lot. So this one has a black upper with that white Deerupt sort of vibe to it. And if you didn't know, it's basically inspired by the grid, which is a fundamental aspect to the design theory. But all in all, it's a pretty simple looking upper, but it looks really complex because of the crazy netting over the upper. And I'm sure you guys want to see it on my channel, but I'm going to mention it anyway. If you guys want me to cut the net off of the upper on this colorway, leave a comment in the comment section or hit the thumbs up button. If you guys hit that thumbs up button, I'll know, and I'll do a follow-up video of me removing the net, because I also want to see these in the raw without the net upper, just for fun, just to add a little bit of something different to them. You can see the back tab on this one with the de-embossed Adidas logo, and then you can see it has a little bit of pink on the inside of the shoe, and I like this little added South Beach sort of vibe to the shoe. Also, you can see that the tongue is blue as well, and it does have a little hidden Adidas logo there. And then the OrthoLite insoles again, and this one has a white sole, as you could see. So one of the things I really like about this new model is the overall look of this crazy netting on the upper and on the midsole, and the fact that they could actually do lots of different color combinations with both of these. And from a distance, it looks pretty crazy because obviously it has that netting there. So I think it's something that definitely catches people's eyes, and I know a lot of people have been asking about these, so I'm glad I'm able to give you guys a look at them. But like this is pretty dope how it has the netting on the midsole right there. But what do you guys think about the new Deerupts? I think this is going to be a great new option for you guys for the summertime, especially at the $100 price point. You don't get boost or bounce on the midsole or anything like that, but as you guys are finding, not every single shoe has to have boost or bounce. And I think that it's almost refreshing to see, and this is coming from somebody that's a huge boost fan, it's almost refreshing to see new silhouettes being created without boost. And I'm only saying that from the perspective of the fact that it's nice to have a variety for people out there. Of course, for me personally, these would be like amazing with boost on, but that's just my 2 cents. Anyways, this was a fun, unexpected gift pack that Adidas sent over my way. This jacket is just crazy, dude. Super rad. And then I really like this colorway. If you guys have seen other colorways, leave a comment and let me know what colorway you guys are looking forward to. But if you guys are trying to buy a pair of these, check the link in the description. And yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching. I have a ton more videos coming your guys' way soon. So if you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button. And if you guys already are subscribed, hit the notification bell to be notified when those videos go live. Thank you guys for stopping by and watching the video though. If you guys want to see other videos on my channel at this time, click the screen and we'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace guys.